So here's how to embed your lead capture form in your website. Just go from the main page here, click templates, click on forms, and then you're going to go to the contact us form. Once you go to here, click over here on the sharing button and you have two options. You can choose embed code or you can choose a direct link. So for instance, if you wanted to use this as your page only and not embed it in the website, you could just copy the link and it would show up exactly like this when someone clicks on the link. Or you can go to your web page. Oops, I got out of there. Or you can go to the web page and create a contact us page. You're going to want to add in a code, like an HTML box on your web page. Copy this code into the web page or the HTML box. So let me give you kind of an idea of what this would look like. Every single web program is different. But hang on one second. Okay, so this is my website, and inside the site I have all these different pages. I've got a contact us form. So that one's actually a little bit different, but you can see here. There we go. So I've put in an HTML code box and I've copied and pasted the code in the box that pops up like this, and then hit save, and then it renders in the website here on my Show It site. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that you do need to resize the box to make sure that your form is showing all the way. Of course, I did that and now it's not rendering. Let's see if I can get it to refresh here. Yeah, sorry, my internet's been a little bit slow. So there you can see it didn't really do a whole lot, but you want to click and drag the frame until the whole form is showing and test it to make sure that you can see everything and the submit button. Because I have had some forms where people didn't drag the form long enough and the submit button wasn't showing. So you always want to check that, especially if you make changes to your forms. Once you're happy with the way that it looks, you can publish it and your form will then be live with the workflow attached to it. Let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully this is pretty self-explanatory.